What if you had to build a life from scratch? Using only the earth beneath your feet and the strength in your hands. You're about to witness an astonishing feat of ancient engineering, where raw wilderness is transformed into a sanctuary. This is the story of how a home is born from sheer will. The first step is always the hardest, breaking new ground. Every shovel of dirt is a promise of what's to come. The earth itself provides the bricks, molded by hand. Patience is the most crucial tool in this primal workshop. The foundation is laid, a pact made with the land. Slowly, meticulously, the structure begins to rise. Each layer is a testament to tireless dedication. The finishing touches reveal the form within the clay. A moment of reflection, surveying the progress made. It is more than just clay and wood. It is the heart of a future home. A new vision takes shape, a place for warmth and sustenance. The first element of comfort, a place to create fire. An oven and shelves built with ancestral knowledge. A deep satisfaction in creating something lasting. The final sweep clears the way for a new beginning. The project expands. The goal is now a true shelter. With practiced hands, she lays the bricks for her new dwelling. Every piece must fit perfectly, a puzzle made of earth. The form of a sophisticated thermal oven is unveiled. She stands back, proud of the emerging structure. This isn't just a stove. It's the lifeline of her homestead. Testing the mechanisms, ensuring flawless function. The design is both beautiful and intensely practical. Attention to detail transforms mud into art. The final embellishments are added with care. And now, the most critical moment, bringing it to life. The first spark ignites, breathing warmth into the clay. But the work is far from over. A larger structure requires a stronger foundation. The earth is excavated, making way for a hidden refuge. A sunken sanctuary protected by the land itself. Inside, the framework for comfort begins to form. A bed, simple yet sturdy, is crafted from the forest gifts. Furniture rises from the forest floor. Clay and wood merge, a technique as old as time. The earth provides not just the walls, but the glue that binds them. Now, the shelter reaches for the sky. The skeleton of a roof is raised, a monumental task. Each beam is secured with precision and strength. From below, the intricate pattern promises protection. The canopy is woven together, piece by piece. A glance reveals the complexity of this humble abode. Preparing the timber that will form the walls. A view from within, a portal to the wild world outside. The walls are built using an ancient cordwood technique. Logs are stacked like firewood, bound with earth and mortar. The gaps are filled, sealing the shelter from the elements. A quiet moment of pride in the work accomplished. The finished structure, a marvel of natural architecture. It stands as if it grew from the forest itself. A harmonious blend of human ingenuity and nature's design. The walls continue to rise, enclosing the space. Timber is cut and shaped for the next phase. The build accelerates, driven by a clear vision. A doorway is framed, an invitation into the home. Checking the integrity, ensuring the structure is sound. A roof of reeds and bamboo will offer natural insulation. The outer walls are plastered with a final layer of clay. This protective skin will harden under the sun. A fence is erected, defining the homestead. The powerful swing of an axe prepares the final roofing materials. High above the ground, the roof is carefully laid. Its curved design is both elegant and efficient at shedding rain. Behold, a complete home crafted from the wilderness. It is a testament to resilience and timeless skill. One final inspection ensures its readiness. A simple wooden lock provides security and peace of mind. Stepping inside, the cool, dark interior offers respite. A moment of rest after an epic undertaking. Now to make this house a home. The hearth is lit, filling the space with warmth and life. A meal is prepared, a celebration of self-sufficiency. The fruits of the forest meet the fire she created. The simple act of cooking becomes a sacred ritual. A well-earned feast enjoyed in the sanctuary she built. The glowing embers create an atmosphere of profound peace. In the quiet solitude, she finds a deep connection to the world. This is more than survival. This is living in its purest form. The story continues as the shelter evolves once more. Explaining the techniques behind her creation. Preparing her simple bed for a night of restful sleep. A new day brings a new, more ambitious project. A larger, more permanent structure begins to take form. A small window is open, letting in the morning light. Inside, the space is being made comfortable and functional. The arched roof, a masterpiece of natural construction. The entryway is solid, built to withstand the seasons. The cordwood walls stand strong and beautiful. The rhythmic sound of the saw echoes through the forest. Wood is split for the next stage of construction. Every piece is carefully selected and sorted. The raw materials are brought inside the growing structure. The interior walls are now being reinforced. But the most transformative feature is yet to come. An incredible floor made from slices of wood. Outside, a new foundation is dug for another purpose. The work is constant, a continuous cycle of creation. This hidden skill requires immense focus. The final piece of the mosaic floor is set into place. The house is now a canvas for the finishing touches. Smoothing the floor, ensuring a perfect level surface. The forest provides an endless supply of building materials. The cabin now stands complete from the outside. The flooring process continues, a painstaking labor of love. The walls are reinforced with wooden pegs, each one hammered in, strengthening the entire structure. The details are what transform a shelter into a home. The wall is smoothed, creating a seamless surface. The intricate wooden floor is nearly complete. The final sections of the wall are carefully installed. A powerful blow drives the last wooden beam into place. The interior is now a masterpiece of natural craftsmanship. Preparing the final coat of mud for the exterior. This earthen plaster will protect the wood for years to come. Applied by hand, it connects the builder to her home. The final layer seals the bond between wood and earth. The finished cabin, a triumph of sustainable building. A smile of pure accomplishment and profound satisfaction. A home that is truly one with the wilderness. The time has come to inhabit the space. She brings in firewood, the fuel for warmth and cooking. The fireplace, built from clay, awaits its first fire. The flames begin to dance, and the house fills with warmth. Preparing the firewood for the night ahead. With practiced skill, a fire is born from a simple spark. The hearth glows, a beacon of comfort against the dark. The fire's light reveals the beauty of her handmade home. It is time for the first meal cooked in this new kitchen. A simple, hearty stew simmering over the open fire. Fresh ingredients sizzle, a reward for a day's hard work. The aroma of cooking fills the cozy cabin. This is the taste of true independence. The perfectly cooked meat is ready to be served. Enjoying her dinner in the peaceful solitude of her creation. Every bite is a reminder of what she has accomplished. A quiet drink to end a perfect day. The day's work is done, the home is warm. The simple wooden bed offers a well-deserved rest. As night falls, the forest stands guard over the small cabin. A sanctuary of peace built by hand in the heart of the wild. A very special thank you to the owner of the YouTube channel Bushcraft Skills for creating this wonderful video and allowing me to comment. If you enjoyed this narrative, please visit and support their channel at the link in the description below.